What's up everyone and welcome to this week's bonus lesson. In today's video we're drawing a crewmate with a sword through his head from Among Us. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page with the visor. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle and then back down on the right. Let's round out the side of the visor. Starting back on the left, just going to bend this out and then in. And then we'll close off the bottom with another curve. Starting back on the left, come down the middle, and then up on the right. Let's go to the top center of the visor, step up and shift over towards the left side. Start with a point. Now we're going to draw that cut along the top of the head. From here we're going to go up, and we'll bend that down. Let's round out the left side of the body. Starting at the top, just going to curve this out, come straight down. I'm just going to bend that back in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side, curve the right side of the body, coming out, down, and then pull that in towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, come down, and then up, go to the right side and do the same thing. We'll leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and we'll curve the body going out and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot and draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add the backpack on the left side. Starting from the top, we curve this out and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and then up. And then we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve. Going out and then bending that back in. Now we're going to move back up and draw the bottom edge of the blade in behind the head. So let's start from this point, curve out, and then up towards the right. We're going to continue this curve coming down towards the left side of the head, bend this out, and then up towards the tip of the sword. Let's go back up to the right side, draw a straight angled line, going up towards the top. Now we're going to connect the end to the inside with a straight angled line. Then we're going to wrap the hilt around the handle. Let's start from the top, curve up, round this out, and then pull that in. Come down to the bottom. We're going to curve in the opposite direction and back in towards the inside of the handle. And then we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve, coming in and then back out. Now from the inside of the hilt, we're going to draw two straight angled lines going up and then out towards the right. And we'll close off the end with a curve, going around and then back in. Let's close off the right side of the head. We're going to line up with the side of the body, go up towards the top of the visor, curve up, and then in behind the sword. Let's add some wraps across the handle. Starting from the top, come down, and bend that over, step up. Just going to do that 2 more times. Let's add that highlight going across the blade. We're going to start from the top, draw a straight angled line, coming down and across towards the left, step up, draw that same angled line. Now we're going to draw a thinner highlight, stepping in, draw another angled line, draw that 1 more time. Let's go back down and add some shadows. From the top of the backpack, curve down and then in towards the body. Then from here we're going to step up, curve the shadow coming down, across the middle. We'll just bend that up on the right side. I'm also going to add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting from the top left, curve down, across, and then up. And that's pretty much it. There's our crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.